Welcome to the site of a large textile group. In this textile giant with a long history and excellent quality, we will show you the latest energy solution, the application of EPCB boiler system here. The group has been committed to improving production efficiency, optimizing management processes, and ensuring product quality. Now, let us enter a corner of the factory and experience for ourselves the excellence of EPCB boiler solutions. The fixed grate design allows us to effectively recycle and use fuel, optimize fuel use, and achieve resource recycling. Boiler adopt three-way structure, and arrange the interval of the smoke pipes reasonably to improve the boiler thermal efficiency. EPCB boiler economizer is compact in structure and well made, which can ensure the maximum utilization of heat energy, significantly reduce fuel consumption, improve efficiency and save costs. Equipped with bag dust collector and flame arrestor, it can effectively desulfurize and remove nitrogen and reduce the content of nitrogen and sulfur oxides in the exhaust gas. Ensure that emissions meet environmental standards. Equipped with fans with appropriate air volume to meet the complete combustion of fuel and reduce flue gas emissions. Through the EPCB boiler system, the textile group can monitor the operation of the production line in real time to ensure the stability and efficiency of the production process. Users have an in-depth understanding of the production process, make precise decisions, and enhance corporate competitiveness. In addition to advanced technology, the textile group is also renowned for its exquisite craftsmanship and innovative designs. If you are interested in our products and solutions, please feel free to contact us.